For you to disable Taskbar Item Rearranging, you will need to install a software. So let's go on your preferred browser. Now, go on Google and search for 7th Taskbar Tweaker. Click on this site. Download the software now. Let's install the software. Click on the file you downloaded. Click OK, and now let's continue with install. The app has a portable version as well, also an installer version as well, so pick whichever you want to use. Once the app is running, right-click the app icon in the system tray and select Advanced option. In the Windows that opens, go to the Option EX tab. Here, double-click the Disable Items Drag item. In the data column, replace 0 with 1. Click Apply and then OK. When you click and drag on item at the taskbar, it will no longer move. It's locked in place where it is pinned. This will only prevent the pinned items from being moved. You can still pin items to the taskbar and unpin or remove them. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.